Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng lip swatches ng L'Oreal ulit, guys. Medyo sunod-sunod yung upload ko ng L'Oreal, no? Ayan siya, guys. Itong Les Macaroons na Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick nila. I actually filmed this na, pero hindi ko nagustuhan yung mga footage and ang daming ganap yung ingay, yung lighting ko, sobrang hindi talaga tugma. So, I decided to refilm again, kaya na-late na naman siya ng upload. Actually, guys, itong product na to, it's been released like a few months ago. Kaso, iba-iba kasi yung release ng product bawat country. So, sa Philippines, ito yung bagong release lang. Bago lang siya. I think it's been 1 month. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero I think 1 month lang siya. Ayan. So, I have 5 shades. I don't know where is the other one. So, the packaging, it looks like this. Ayan. Plastic lang siya, guys. And what I love about the packaging is lakas niya makasosyal. Meron siyang rose gold dyan and then beige yung kanyang holder. So, ayan yung kanyang applicator, guys. Very familiar. It looks like Rogue signature nila na collection. And I really love this kind of applicator kasi nasasakop niya yung labi ko talaga. And nabibend siya, guys. If you want more precise na application, magagawa niya. And it looks really thin. Ayan. And the smell of the product, of course, macaroons. Mabango talaga yung macaroons. Super sweet. Nung amoy niya, so if you don't like smelly like lip product, you will not like this kasi meron talaga siyang smell na sweetness and parang candy vibes. Ayan. So, ang sabi dito sa website nila is intense color, no transfer, ultra matte finish. Ayan. And even more matte than matte. So, magmamatte siya habang tumatagal. An infallible color for lip as freshly made up to 16 hours. Of course, I'm not gonna test this for 16 hours, but I will try my best to wear this until the end of the day. So, let's proceed sa swatches, guys. So, the first shade is Guava Gush, what I'm wearing right now. And makikita nyo yung shade dito sa hawakan. So, ayan, Guava Gush. Ang lakas maka-fresh nitong shade na to, guys. I think maganda to sa mga skin tone like light to medium skin tone. Ayan. Ayan yung swatch niya sa aking kamay. And I actually love this shade. Para siyang peachy, straight peach tone siya. Ayan. So, if you're looking for a peach shade, this will be perfect for you. Guava Gush. Ang lakas niya maka-fresh. I love it. Next shade is Dose of Rose. Ayan, medyo kinakabahan ako dito. And ayan yung swatch niya sa kamay ko. Masyado siyang light. As you can see, one swipe lang, guys, nako-cover niya na agad yung buong labi nyo. You don't need to dip again para makuha yung gusto nyong coverage. It feels really soft sa labi, actually. The only thing that I don't like this kind of lipstick is matagal talaga siya mag-set. That's the only thing that I can tell ngayon. But when you apply it on your lips, it feels comfortable. Wala kayong mafe-feel like, alam niyo, parang mabigat. Considering talagang yung mga gantong klase na lipstick, like the super matte ink ng Maybelline, yun, guys, talagang mafe-feel nyo ng kaunti na meron talaga kayong ina-apply sa labi nyo. So, this is the shade Dose of Rose. Next shade is Praline de Paris. Ayan. Praline de Paris. Praline de Paris. So, ayan siya. Even though you have a dry lips, guys, hindi niya may emphasize kung marami kayong crack sa lips like me, hindi niya na-emphasize. I will zoom you in para makita niyo talaga. So, ayan siya guys. So, itsura pala ng Praline de Paris sa akin. Actually, ang ganda din ng shade na to ah. Walang tapon dito sa shade na to ah. Ito guys, if you're looking for like parang rose color, ang ganda nito. Rose pink siya. And it actually really complements my skin tone. Ganda niya. So, may nanalo na. May nanalo na shade. And this is the Infinite Spice, guys. Ang ganda ng shade nito, guys. You guys, this is gonna be my favorite. Top 1. Top 1 kabesh. So, ayan. Infinite Spice. Itong shade na to guys, ang perfect niya, terracotta vibes, you know. Alam niyo yun, universal egg shade, the terracotta. Super ganda. Oh, you guys, look. Ang perfect nung pagka-terracotta niya, hindi siya patay na terracotta. Puro terracotta yung sinabi ko. Basta you guys, you have to get this. Get this. If you're gonna buy only one shade, get this shade. So, syempre, save the best for last. Yung mga loud color. Meron din tayo niyan. This next shade is a berry cherry. If you like bold colors, vibrant, neon-y shade, and the berry cherry. I will be wearing the Infinite Spice the whole day, guys, and I will update you kung ano yung ganap dito sa labi na to. And magkakakain talaga. Ititest natin siya talaga, pero I will be updating you the end of the day. So, bye! I'll see you later. Mwah!
Do it in a parked car behind a Taco Bell?
I cannot believe Ross told you that.
I'm watching Friends, guys.
And in my defense, it was a Wendy's.
So cute. Hey guys, I'm wearing this for 6 hours. And you can tell, nandyan pa rin yung lipstick and still kicking, guys. And nakita nyo yung kinain ko kanina, it's suka, vinegar, and then I mean, may mga vinegar siya, and then pancit canton, and then chips, and then bread. And nagluluto ako ngayon ng fried chicken just to try kung, alam mo yun, okay ba talaga siya. So, I'll be back, guys, later for my last update after ng dinner namin. Ayan pala yung oras, guys. Almost 7 p.m. I'm done cooking. Yummy. Yan guys, kumakain na ako guys.
What does the carton talk about?
Yum.
Good.
Hey guys, I'm back with my last update. Ayan si Sander natulog na, pinatulog ko muna. It's already... Oops. Ano ba? Ayaw magpita-focus. Ayan. 10:30 p.m. 10:30 p.m. na guys, and I've been wearing this liquid lipstick for 10.5 hours. And I've been eating, drinking. Nandyan pa rin siya. Although, sa middle part, dito sa area na yan, medyo nag-fade na siya. Pero guys, I don't need to retouch or anything kasi nandyan pa rin yung kulay niya. Oh my gosh, I'm really amazed, you guys. What can I say about this liquid lipstick? Longevity, super approve. The shades, super ganda ng mga shades niya. Yung scent niya, guys, mabango yung scent niya kasi nga macaroons. So, ayan. And, what do you call this? Yung feel niya sa lips, it's very comfortable. On the first, medyo, what do you call this? Maiirita kayo or, not maiirita. I mean, parang malagkit kasi siya pagka bagong apply siya. Medyo, the problem is matagal siyang mag-set sa akin. I don't know to other girls dyan na na-try na to, but for me, it takes a little long and a minutes. Around 15, siguro 15 to 30 para mag-set yung product mag-sink in. But the more na tumatagal siya sa labi nyo, the more na nagmamatch siya. Doon ako parang na-amaze kasi, ayan, kita nyo naman, andyan pa rin siya, laban na laban pa rin siya, and hindi talaga siya nagta-transfer. Hindi siya nagta-transfer. I'm actually kissing Sander dito sa lips. Dito sa pisngi, sa lips. And hindi talaga siya nagta-transfer. I really recommend this liquid lipstick, guys, kasi sa price na $399 and hindi nyo naman kailangan mag-retouch the whole day. So, why not, diba? Parang ang laking tipid na rin kasi bibili nga kayo ng murang liquid lipstick around 200, but you have to retouch all the time and nagka-crack yung lips nyo. So, better to invest a little pricey like this one. So, ayun lang naman yung pinaka-simpleng review ko dito sa liquid lipstick na to. And guys, let me know if you tried this already, kung ano yung favorite nyo shades, or kung ano yung nagustuhan yung shade sa lip swatches natin kanina. Let me know in the comment section. So, I'm gonna end this video na kasi medyo talagang inaantok na ako and kailangan ko pang i-follow up tong isang nire-review ko, which is L'Oreal din. Ayan, abangan nyo rin siya. So, huwag kayong magtaka if I'm wearing a same shirt kasi I'm reviewing two products sa face ko, the concealer and the liquid lipsticks. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe on my vlogging channel na sa Alvaro Vlogs. Ililink ko sa baba. So, I'll see you in my next one.